Alright, Jack, so let's see. 427, oh God, look at all the parking at Best Buy. Where the hell are we gonna park, dude?
I don't know. Maybe up there.
Let's see. I got an idea. Let me make a phone call. Hold on just a second. I'm pull right up here and make this phone call real quick. I'll clear us out of spot real quick. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, this is Jeremy. I'm hoping to get a parking spot here at Best Buy. Could you yeah, yes, exactly. You know what I need. Call it in. A few minutes? Oh, okay, I'll be waiting, thanks. Okay, good. I'm thinking maybe right up there. That looks really good. Look out! Oh my God!